ये क्वेश्चन आपका है कि मेरा है?
You guys.
हम लोग साथ में I don't know, man. It's really not consciously done.
And I hope it's not done in the first place.
Yeah, I hope so too. I hope so too. Prajvinder, I'm thinking I'm liking Prajvinder on you.
Prajvinder is nice.
Why this conversation reminds me of Prarthana.
Who's Prarthana?
Yeah.
Said hi. Who else do we have here? Tell now how to effed up sleep schedule. Tamanna, you want to take this up?
Yeah, I mean, I went through the same thing. I've just actually come back to a normal sleeping pattern. I was sleeping at 6 a.m., 5 a.m., odd hours. And it was not like I wasn't trying to sleep, but in my entire life, I've not been someone who found it hard to sleep. I would sleep like at will. But हम लोग इतने and after working out and after doing all the physical activity, I was still not getting sleep. And then I just realized I needed something to wake up to, because on a normal day you have something to wake up to. So then I needed to create that need. So I started creating like work things which I particularly would put it at a point where I have to wake up in the morning. Again, it's not like every time I made that attempt, I was successful. There were days I would still sleep in, and I would sleep in at odd hours. But out of, say, 5 days, then 3 days became better. Then slowly 5 days became better. Now I'm sleeping every night at a normal human hour and not behaving like an owl. Behaving more like a human, less like an owl. But I went through that too. I think you just need to find a way where you do something where you know you need to wake up to do something particular.
Have a plan of
Yeah, I think that's very important, and tire yourself physically as much as you can. I think unless we are not mentally and physically tired at the same level, sometimes your mind is wired, your body is tired, but your mind is just wired. So you're just like going everywhere. So even the physical exhaustion means nothing. So you have to be tired mentally also. शरीर को भी मतलब उतना ही थकाना है ताकि इंसान पूरी तरह से थक जाए. Yeah, so thakana is like one of the most primitive ways of handling the situation.
Another thing that really works for me is मेरे कमरे के ना मैं curtains खुले रख के सोती हूँ. Like I have like sheer curtains, then I have like, so I keep the sheer curtains shut, लेकिन I keep the blinds wide open.
Yeah.
ताकि जब sunrise हो तो मेरे कमरे में पूरी तरीके से light आ जाए. So then eventually, because it gets tougher to get up when you wake up in a dark room.
Yeah, for sure. So
I think that is also something that works.
Yeah, so that's an actual problem. I think a lot of people are faced with during this time, because it's like, and for a lot of people it's like हम उठे क्यों, like सुबह क्या
करना क्या है
करना क्या है, which is an actual, I know, I understand the problem.
True.
An actual problem.
Do you want to play Never Have I Ever?
Yes. I need to play a game.
Exactly, क्योंकि ना मैंने ना बहुत कम बार खेला है, तो every opportunity that I get to do this, I do it. Guys, should we play Never Have I Ever? Give me a yes in the comments. Come on, say yes. That's the most.
Should we play Never Have I Ever? Go for it, guys.
Come on.
Yes.
Hi, Rohan. Yay, we got a yay. We haven't got a yes yet. We got a beauty. Woo! Okay, Praju for life says, yeah, started. Chalo, great. Yes. Okay, we got
आशीर्वाद मिल गया, अभी करें.
Chalo.
Go for it.
Okay. Never. Okay, guys. By the way, guys, you can keep putting Never Have I Ever questions in the comments. We can take those also. It'll be fun. Okay. Never have I ever peed in a pool.
Of course I have. Who hasn't? Yeah.
Who hasn't?
झूठ बोलते हैं. जो लोग नहीं ऐसे. See, I have a very strong reason. You should not lie about obvious things. It is very stupid.
Yeah.
It is so stupid ना कि मतलब so waste. तो झूठ नहीं बोलने चाहिए ऐसी वाले झूठे बिल्कुल नहीं बोलने चाहिए.
Okay. Never have I ever sneaked into a theater without buying a ticket.
I have actually.
What?
I have, yeah.
You're a movie star.
Yeah, I have. I had to do it for the very same reason, actually.
Story.
I had to do it because I was trying to get into. I was watching another film, but my film was playing, and I wanted to see what people were like, what was their like reaction to it.
Which
And
film?
बहुत टाइम हो गया, मेरे को खुद ही याद नहीं. मेरे को अगर ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ कि मेरे को लोग मेरी फिल्मों के बारे में पूछते हैं, मेरे को सच्ची में याद नहीं रहता.
Yeah,
And
you don't remember the book you were reading.
yeah. So it's for anyone who knows me well enough will not be surprised with this reaction because मेरे को genuinely याद नहीं रहता. I have like a bad memory. So the
Okay.
only things I remember properly are my dialogues. बाकी मुझे और कुछ याद नहीं रहता. मेरी रोजी रोटी है वो.
Okay. Never have I ever broken up with someone over text.
Yeah, never.
I've done that.
Hey.
I was like,
But did you get back?
if I had to get back, I would do it in person.
Huh?
If I had to get back, I would do it in person. No, I didn't want to only.
Oh, so that is the strategy. Okay, noted. I
No
shall
point.
remember.
Never have I ever cheated in an important exam or in an exam.
I cheated in the most important exam of my life because I had to cheat. So my cheating skills are the worst because I never needed to. I was growing up, I was quite a studious kid. Till my 8th, 9th grade, I never needed help. But I started working around my 8th grade.
Okay.
And I had a technical drawing paper. And I had taken up technical drawing. It's like engineering का जो पहले 2 साल होते हैं ना, they make you do those views basically of how a place, how any kind of a structure looks. So I had taken up technical drawing and I had not even attended one class or done one assignment or done nothing because I was already working by then. But my school was really supporting me and helping me go through my education in whatever best way they could. But I landed up at my prelim examination. And I was shooting for for my first ad commercial in my life, which was a multinational company called ad commercial, which was going to really like go big and stuff like that. And I had studied nothing, and I really did not like this one boy, but I had to take his help because I was like, I have to pass this examination, and bichara, because of him, I passed the exam. So,
Okay.
so I thank him. I thank him for that.
Great. All right. Never have I ever given someone a fake phone number.
No, I can't actually. I can't because I don't know how to give a fake phone number. I don't even know how many numbers would be there in it, and I'd get confused.
Just change the last 4 digits.
Yeah, I won't. I'm that zoned out.
Oh God.
I'll say something stupid after that. I might say, listen, like I don't want to give you my number, or I might say, hey, how many stars are there up in the sky, or some shit like that.
Oh, thank you so much. Bye. Okay. Never have I ever taken a spontaneous trip to some place.
All my trips are spontaneous.
Okay. So you're not a planner.
No, I think whenever I plan, those trips don't happen. It has to be last minute, and it has to be a full mess has to happen.
Like full panic.
those work out.
Ab kya kare?
But it works out. I feel like everyone gets into this very adventurous zone,
Yeah.
and then it's exciting because it's so much adventure.
Okay. Never have I ever farted and blamed it on someone else.
No, I'm very responsible for my farts actually.
Okay. I have done it when I was a kid.
Yeah, fair.
In school.
Yeah,
I have so many times in school.
yeah.
Remember post that. Yeah, I think even I am pretty responsible. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very responsible for my farts. I have no problem with it.
Never have I ever sneaked food into a movie theater.
I have.
What have you sneaked?
A fruit, an orange. I was on some stupid diet, yeah, and I love eating samosa and nachos and all that. But that day I could not eat because I was on a diet and I had to watch a film. The problem is, if I hadn't taken that orange, I would have eaten the samosa and the nachos. So I was like, listen, I need to do this.
ये तो sneak करने की जरूरत भी नहीं थी. वहाँ security guard को तुम orange दिखा रहे थे. वो तो
No, but they don't let you take, yeah. They don't let you take a, like fruit and shit. They're like, no, आप नहीं कर सकते. तो I said नहीं, मेरी तबीयत खराब है, मेरा पेट खराब है, मुझे चाहिए, मेरी दवाई चाहिए. तो मेरे को.
Sneak it. He knew.
Yeah, but I mean, I know they will catch you. They fully check your bag and stuff, right? You can't really technically sneak it in.
Okay. I have not sneaked any food in. I know friends who have like stuffed because यार एक तो movie theaters में food is super expensive.
It's expensive for sure.
So expensive. I'm like, why will I pay $400 for nachos? I'm not going to pay so much money for popcorn. So I have I college because in college obviously आप afford नहीं कर सकते हो movie theater. You can't afford it.
Yeah.
So I know friends who used to like stuff chocolates in socks. You know, just bars of chocolates stuffed in their socks. And I also know a couple of friends who like put some magical substance in their water bottle. So like things like that. But yeah. Guys, do you have any never have I ever questions?
Let's see.
ये सब आपस में ही बात कर रहे हैं. Mostly saying द्वारका का birthday है. Hi, Sneha, if I'm not wrong. Sneha, happy birthday.
That's so sweet. Happy birthday, Sneha.
It's Sneha's birthday. See? Hey. People stuff chits on socks during exams. Yeah, पता है मैंने all through school I didn't cheat.
Right.
So that kid की yuck. I'm never gonna do that. Like who even does that? That's so cheap. Like I would never cheat. I was that annoying kid कि मेरे ना कम marks आ जाए मुझे चलेगा पर मैं cheat नहीं करूँगी कभी. Cut to 11th standard junior college, okay? And some economics, I guess, and I hate economics, okay? I don't like it at all. उसका paper चल रहा था. And I went from not wanting to cheat to taking my cell phone to exam.
Wow.
Where I have stuffed the cell phone in my ये जो होता है ना यहाँ पे.
Of course.
And I remember like I am texting my friends who are sitting in the canteen कि guys इसका बताओ उसका बताओ, okay? मुझे मिल रहे हैं आंसर्स, धड़ाधड़ लिखे जा रही हूँ, सब कुछ हो रहा है और मेरा अलार्म बजा. While it's the exam, some alarm I had set for a day before something, some annoying alarm played. And I don't know, maybe it was just really lucky for me that because it played and I was like, now if I make any sudden movements, they'll know it's me.
Correct.
So I stayed put, like I was just like. So the teacher went, what? उतने में bell बजी, लोग उठना शुरू हो गए, मैंने alarm बंद कर दिया.
That's a very close one. Very close
one.
Yeah.
But yeah. Oh God. Okay. Tamanna,